Hello folks, John Nigerian here. Tonight I'm going to be making some chicken Coq Au Vin from one of my favorite recipes by Ina Garten. And as you can see, I've already got a big pot of onions and carrots cooking away. This is my kitchen, folks. Just wanted you to kind of see. There's a couple of the guys that want something that's coming out of the kitchen. And that's the cooking area. All right, so here's our pot. Everything's going well in there, and now I'm adding an entire bottle of a good French wine. Chicken's gonna love this. So is my wife. There, the whole bottle. All right, folks, so now we're adding the brandy or cognac, depending what you prefer. It says a little over a half cup. More like a cup, I'd say, and a splash. So here is our chicken, and I'm adding it now to the pot. These are chicken thighs and drumsticks because they'll give a lot of flavor. It's not boneless, it's of course with the bones, and that'll make a huge difference in the dish. And here is our dish simmering away. I'm about to cover it and put it in the oven for about 40 minutes.